Welcome to Cooking with Whitney. Again, we're gonna try and make some good, delicious Cajun specialties. Today it's gonna be Jammin Jambalaya. Now I got a Dutch oven on the stove here with half a cup of oil, and it's coming up to a medium-high heat. And into that, we're gonna dump our water-based vegetables. And about 2 teaspoons of salt. And about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we'll start stirring that. We got it on medium-high heat, and what we're trying to do here is we're going to caramelize those onions and smother all these vegetables down with the salt and the pepper and the oil. We want to get it nice and brown. We're going to let it go for a long time, like 20 minutes. And we'll see what it looks like when we come back. We've been stirring our vegetables. It's 2 cups of onion, 1 cup of diced bell pepper, and 1 cup of diced celery. So that was 4 cups of vegetables. See how brown they're getting, and the onion's all clear. Ooh, got the camera a little too close there. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, there we go. That's much better. You can see how that looks. Got a good brown consistency. To that, we're going to dump 1 pound of sliced andouille sausage. You can use any kind of good smoked sausage. Doesn't have to be andouille. And I'm going to stir this all around. Let that go for a while till our sausage starts to brown. Still on a medium-high heat. And there was a half cup of oil, 2 cups of onion, 1 cup bell pepper, 1 cup celery, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and into that we just dumped a pound of andouille sausage. Alright, yeah, sausage has been going for about 10 minutes. Got to keep scraping it, all the good juicy pieces off the bottom, scrape it all around and stir it up good. Into that, we're going to put our 1 pound, 1.5 pounds of, I chopped up some chicken thighs to bite-sized pieces. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs is what I use. You can substitute that with chicken breast or even pork. All of that works good. I seasoned it with a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a tablespoon of salt. And we're going to let that cook for about 10 minutes. And to that we're going to add a bay leaf. Got a couple of bay leaves actually. Put some bay leaf in there. And stir it all around for about 10 minutes here so it gets nice and brown. Keep going with that and we'll be back. This has been rolling for like about 10 minutes. Still on the medium-high heat. Keep stirring. This is one of those things you got to keep stirring and scraping the bottom. Into that, we're going to dump 3 cups of long grain Louisiana rice. I like to use Louisiana rice. It tastes better. And we stir that up, and we're going to let that go for about 3 minutes. Let it absorb some of that juice. I like to stir it all up good. I'm just going to let that go for about 3 minutes. I keep stirring it. It's been 3 minutes of stirring that around, letting the rice absorb some of that juice in there, and we're going to add 6 cups of water. After we add the water, I'm going to keep it up on high until the water comes up to a boil. Then I'm going to reduce it to low and cover it and go for 35 minutes. And it's boiling. Give it one last stir. Lower the fire down to low simmer and cover it. And we're going to go for 35 minutes. Oh, it's been 35 minutes. Ooh, it's looking like jambalaya. Go ahead and take the bay leaf out since I can see it right here on the top. I think I had another piece in there somewhere, but anyway, I'll go ahead and take a look at this. Sure is looking good. It's a Cajun jambalaya as opposed to a Creole jambalaya. Jambalaya's got a lot of different ingredients these days. People put a lot of different stuff into their jambalayas. I like just making it basically like my grandma made it. Yep, there's that other piece of bay leaf. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on this and take it off the heat and let it sit for about 5-10 minutes maybe. And then we'll serve it. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. And it's looking really good. I'll go ahead and serve some up. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks delicious. And that's it. Cajun jambalaya. Thanks for watching.